Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, how are you? I am also fine, thank you very much. Today we'll practice English spoken. Are you ready? If you ask anybody, what do you want to be when you grow up? তুমি বড় হয়ে কি হতে চাও? কেউ যদি তোমাকে কোশ্চেন করে তাহলে তুমি কিভাবে আনসার করবে? নামিরা, what do you want to be?
I want to be a teacher. I want to be an engineer.
Good. Next, you.
I want to be a doctor.
Next, you.
I want to be an Islamic scholar.
MashaAllah. Thank you. Next.
I want to be a pilot.
Good. Next, you.
I want to be a banker.
Good. MashaAllah. You.
I want to be a homemaker.
Good. And you.
I want to be a businessman.
Good. Next.
I want to be a pilot. I want to be a good scholar.
Good.
I want to be a doctor.
Good. Next.
I want to be a teacher.
Good. Next.
I want to be a teacher.
Thank you.